How to check MacBook Pro hardware specs. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the About This Mac option and further. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the System Report option. And now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the Hardware tab where the entire hardware overview such as the model name, model identifier, chip, memory, system firmware version, and various other specifications of your MacBook will be shown. You can also tap on the individual specifications and see that particular specification's hardware overview. So, this is how you can check MacBook Pro hardware specs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.